Morning everybody. Let us today deal with the subject verb agreement. That is your fourth chapter in your practice book. Agreement. In this there are some rules which you have to remember. The first rule is that when the subject consists of two or more noun or pronoun, when the subject consists of two or more nouns or pronouns joined by and, then which verb we will use? Then plural verb is used. Okay. When the subject consists of two or more noun or pronoun, the verb will be plural. Okay. For example, I will give you one or two examples. Like air and water, then it will be two nouns. It is consisting of two nouns, so it will be are, verb will be are, necessary for survival. Okay. Now if the noun is and if the noun or pronoun refers to the same person, okay, if it is refers to the same person or thing, then the verb will be singular. Okay, if it refers to the same person or thing, then the verb will be singular. Now you can take one example. Like I will give you one example, like author and publisher. Mr. Sahani. Then see, author and publisher is relating to one only, one noun, isn't it? So when it refers to the same one, then the verb will be singular, that is in town to inaugurate the function. Okay. Now so you got it. The first one, that if the noun or the pronoun are joined by and, which is different, verb will be plural, and if the noun and the noun or the two pronouns are relating to same one, then the verb will be singular. Okay, this is the first one which I told you, the first rule of it. Now if you are using neither, either, each, everyone, one of the, or much, little, less, such type of words if you are using, they all are generally associated with they generally take which verb? They will take the singular verb. Okay, if you are using neither, either, each, everyone, one of the, much, little, less, or such type of words, then the verb will be singular. Okay, for example, neither of the two brothers, then the verb will be was selected for the team. Okay, so either you are using neither or either or everyone or one of the, much or less, any such type of words, then the verb will be singular. Okay, now if we are talking about, now let us come on to the another category, another rule, that if we are talking about any amount, okay, if you are talking about amount, then the verb will be singular. Okay, got it? If you are talking about amount, the verb will be singular. Okay, and if we are talking about number, then the verb will be plural. Got it? Now take one sentence. None of the work, what it will be? Then it will be none of the work, so it will be a singular one, it will be was completed, since we are talking about amount over here. Okay, now if I write a sentence, none of the strategies, okay, then we are talking about number over here, so it will be were, that is a plural one, worked. None of the strategies have worked. You can write it down. Not worked. Have worked. So a singular and a plural verb used over here. Okay. Now take one more example. A lot of energy. So wasted on finding the treasure. So it is a amount we are talking about, lot of energy, so it will be was, that is singular verb. And if we are talking about a lot of books, then have been written on home remedies. So a lot of books is now number, so it will be have. Okay, plural verb. This is singular verb and this is plural verb. Got it? So till now we have gone through 3 types of rules about the subject verb agreement. Now let us come on to one more, that is when the subject consists of 2 or more pronoun or noun. Fourth one, when the subject of a sentence consists of 2 nouns or pronouns that are joined by as well as or with. Okay, if they are having joined with as well as or with, then the verb will be agreeing with the first noun. Okay, then the verb will agree with the first noun. For example, take one example. Anshu as well as her family, then what it will be? Which verb we will be using? Such shifting, shifting to Mumbai. So it will be Anshu as well as her family. So first verb, first is the singular, so it will be is shifting to Mumbai. Okay, all of you got it? Now one more example, let us take Richa with her family, so, or you can write it down with her friends, singular or plural verb? It will be the singular verb, okay, because Richa is singular. Wants to participate in the quiz. Okay, so you got it? Either the sentence is joined by as well as or with, the verb will go with the first subject. Okay, whatever will be the first subject, the verb will be going according to that. Got it? Now let us take one more example. The teacher as well as her students, then what it will be? First one is teacher, so it will be is sitting in the class. Okay, so you got it, that if the sentence is joined with as well as or with, the verb will go according to the first subject, that is whatever, either it is singular or plural. Okay, now come on to one more rule, that is when the subject, when the two subjects of a sentence are joined by not only, okay, or but also, either or, neither nor. Then the subject will agree with the second one, okay. Then the subject will agree with the second one, latter, okay, latter subject, okay. Over here we saw that when it was as well as or with, then we used to look at the first subject and accordingly we used to write the verb. Now if a sentence is having either or, neither nor, or but also, then the subject will be to the second one, okay, that is the latter. Then the verb will agree with the latter one, okay. For example, now I will give you one example. Not only Ravi but his friends also are coming to the party. Okay, not only Ravi. So we will be taking it to the either two of the subject is Ravi and friends. So we will be seeing the second one, that is friends, and since this is the plural one, we will go accordingly. So we will write over here are. Not only Ravi but his friends also are coming to the party. Okay, now next one is either you or Seema. Okay, so latter one is Seema, so it will be is going to clean the room. So you got it, that if we join the sentence which neither nor, either or not only but, then we are going according to the second subject. The verb will be according to the second subject. Okay, so I hope all of you must be cleared till here. One more information I want to give you, that some of the nouns are plural, okay, but they go according to the, but they are singular in meaning because they are used collectively. Okay, now let us come on to the second worksheet. Here you are supposed to use the rule 1, that is the first rule which I told you, that if the subject is different, using and, if you join together, the verb will be plural, and if the subject relates to the same person or same thing, then it will be, verb will be singular. Okay, so now come on to the second worksheet, that is worksheet 2. Simple living and high thinking was Gandhiji's philosophy. Okay, now it is said that beauty and brains do not go together. Now Dev and Anuj are going to Goa this weekend. The singer and actor Sonu was awarded the trophy. The singer and the actor were wearing similar jackets. The logic and reasoning of the theory is given below. G, it will be milk and cereals are the best breakfast for kids. Now his honesty and integrity is unquestionable. Okay. Watching TV and playing video games do not interest me. U and C have been selected for the extemporary competition. So worksheet 2 is completed. In the same way, I have explained you the second law, that was if you are using neither nor, neither, either, everyone, one of, or much, less, then the verb will be singular. And if we are using neither nor, either or, not only but, then it will be plural. Okay. Now we are supposed to do the third worksheet, that is fill in the blanks with the correct verb. Okay. Have you seen the sculpture made by him? Each one is a masterpiece. Neither of the two teams was. Okay. Then much of the hard work of the farmers has been. A great deal of literature on the art of cooking is. A lot of appreciation was. A lot of people are allergic to milk products. Very little is. None of the residents were. Okay. Less of the paper is. Everyone in the society has. So we have completed. Okay. The next exercise you will do it on your own. Next is worksheet 3, that is 4 worksheet. Worksheet 4, third question, you are supposed to do it on your own. I have explained you the laws which goes accordingly, and you are supposed to solve it. Okay. Till then, have a nice day and complete your work. Thank you.